Hello and welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video we'll see how to make a cute Valentine's Day gift. And yes, this is a DIY by Richa. So without wasting time, let's begin.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth.
Hello again. So I hope you'll like this idea. I know you'll might be thinking, how can this be a Valentine's Day gift? See, you all give flowers, so why don't you use this as a handmade flower which people can keep it for a long time. I mean, lifetime I can say. Obviously it won't, it's not a real flower that it will dry or something. So yes, you can make many of these and color them with different like colors, maybe paint or spray paint as you wish, and you can make a bouquet out of it. Or if you want to make only one, then you can color it red or any color you want and make a small bouquet of it, so you can use it any way you want. So yes, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.